Hey guys, and welcome to another video. So today I have a really exciting video and I cannot wait to show you guys. This is like an unveiling, revealing, like it's coming out. I have a little PR package here. This isn't actually the PR package box, like she just packed it in this box for me because I think this is the prettiest box she had around that fits what's inside here. So we have a brand, right, called Lash Queen. Okay, if you are a fan of lashes, like feathery, like I'm wearing them today just so you know, okay, if you're a fan of like faux mink, okay, mind you, cruelty-free lashes at an affordable price, okay, please check this out. So I'm gonna pop this open for you. She even made sure it looked cute and nice and packaged. When I say she, the person that created this is my literal best friend. My literal best friend. If you watch my videos, you will know who she is. You will see her around. She is my literal best friend. Her name is Hong and she made this brand right here. And I'm so proud of her and I'm so proud of her. I'll be supporting her till death. So, okay, so I actually got 3, just so you know, but I've used 1 package today, but I'll explain that in a bit. So she even gave me a little packet of Haribos. I think this is just for like friends or something. She might just pop a bit of Haribos in there, I'm not sure. But she gave me a cute little PR package message. She's making this legit, guys. This is for real. So it says, Caroline, can't wait for you to see, can't wait to see the looks you create with these. Hong X. Hong is my best friend. She literally lives across the road from me. We've been friends for, God, I don't even know, over 10 years or something. I have no idea. But your girl she's made her own lash brand and I'm so proud of her. I am wearing the honey lashes right now. These are honey. These are very natural looking lashes. They're mink looking as well. They're very lightweight. I'm like trying to show them the best I can. They're so beautiful, so flexible, and you can wear them up to 20 times. So, you know, honestly, I've worn lashes less than 20 times. I've had to throw them away because they look rubbish at the end of it because they start to like break apart. But these look absolutely, I'm not even just saying this because she's my best friend. Legit, I will give you non-biased reviews every time. It doesn't matter who it's about. If you watch videos on this channel, I'm very unbiased. I will tell you the truth. And these lashes, I say to you now, they're very affordable. I believe they're £7 each. I'll show you what I have. Let me zoom out. Okay, so right now I'm wearing honey, which are very natural looking, like minky lashes. They're very light, very subtle. If you like more of the natural look, this is perfect for you. You can visit her store. It's on the back of this box. I'll even link it down below. As you can see, cruelty-free, big icon there, which is fantastic. She has a Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. You can see her and that is her store. Today is the 22nd. I believe today is actually the launch day, which is fantastic. So please get down there and just look around. Now I tell you, okay, listen, I work in Superdrug. I'm not even gassing this up. I swear to you, I'm not gassing it up. I work in Superdrug and I recently bought 3 pairs of faux mink lashes and they cost between £8 to £10, okay? To me that's expensive. I only did that because I was going out and I don't go out much. Honestly, I'm a homebody. I like to stay at home and play my games. So I spent quite a bit of bob on some lashes, and to me £7 for faux mink lashes, and I'll just show you another pair of lashes, what they look like here. This one is Yes Queen. These are so beautiful, soft, feathery lashes. They look very natural. I think we both came up with this name, I think we both came up with this name. So this Yes Queen is special to me because Lash Queen, Yes Queen, I feel like it's quite special to me. So they're very soft, feathery lashes. The packaging, you can even tell she's even thought about it. It clicks. It's not opening, it clicks to look. And on the inside it also says Another day, another slay. Ooh wee, that's my life motto. That is my life motto. So that one is Yes Queen, which is more of the dramatic glam, but not too dramatic. Like, these are gorgeous. I can't wait to use all these lashes, honestly. And we have Majestic over her. So this one's Majestic. She's more natural but more spiky. So if you like a really spiky, I have some nice lashes on right now kind of look, that's the one you go for. I believe she has, I'm not really sure, I have to ask her, 5 or no, more than that. She has loads of different ranges, like naturals to glams, so please take a look at the website and just look at what you like. Honestly, it's very affordable. I will be purchasing, even though she says she'll be giving me some, I'll be purchasing them from her anyway. Support your friends, support their work, okay? So yeah, I am wearing Honey and I love these lashes. She gave me a set of preview ones that I could test out to see if I like them or not, and I actually love them. I've even got one of these, you know, practice sets. You've got them around, and I mean, this is actually so amazing, and I'm so proud of her. This is Lash Queen. It's just such a sick name as well. Like, I call myself the highlight queen, and now Hong is the lash queen, so you know, we're just a bunch of queens. What can I say? So I am so proud of her. It's launching today. Link is in the description. Like, check it down below, please check it out. It looks like her site is amazing and everything about this is amazing. She's put in so much hard work and effort into this. She's really sat down for hours and hours and hours researching, putting in work into this brand, and I just feel like I would appreciate it, and I know she would appreciate it if you just check it out, see if you like it. If you have any constructive criticism, let me know. I can let her know. You know, we're all about supporting each other and creating our own thing and working with our passion, and if this is her passion, and I'll be supporting her 10 billion%. So this is the brand Lash Queen. I'm wearing it to die. So if you like what I'm wearing Honey, girl, Honey, sweet light, Honey. So yeah, these are her lashes. So hopefully, if you guys really want to check it out and you really want to see it and you're interested, please check it out. Description, the website is down below, and I'll be wearing more of her lashes. So if you want to see what they look like on me, continue watching my videos. I'll be using her lashes mostly, and they'll be in my Instagram, which is also down below. So if you want to see the link to her stuff, I'll link everything, her Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and her store will be downstairs in the description box. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please support your girl and her girl. So yeah, thank you guys for watching.